Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change activity auto advanced duration and voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X, from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility, then tap. Then in the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then after that, in the voiceover, scroll down and then tap the activities. Then in your activities, tap your activity. Then in your activity, scroll down and go to Braille settings section and then tap the auto advanced duration. Then in the auto advanced duration, if you want to adjust the duration per seconds, just tap the positive sign to add the duration per seconds. And if you want to lessen the duration per seconds, just tap the negative sign just like this. When the auto advanced duration is enabled, enabling auto advanced will pan a Braille display repeatedly. Adjust auto advanced duration to your preferred reading speed. And that's it. We have successfully changed activity auto advanced duration in voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!